Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Basic Learning Maths and Science. So the topic which we are going to discuss today is matter, which is the part of physics. So today we are going to study about matter and the classifications of matter and the properties of solid, liquid and gas. First of all, what is matter? Anything that occupies space and has some mass is known as matter. So this was the very simple definition of matter. You must learn this definition. It is very important definition. Now, three classifications of the solid of matter, which are solid, liquid and gas. Three classifications of the matter is: first type of matter is solid, and another type of matter is liquid, and third type of matter is gas. You must will be thinking, what are these diagrams I have made in my whiteboard? You will be thinking, are they pebbles? Isn't it looking like a pebbles in a bag? But see, these are not pebbles. These are the inner particles of solids, and this is the inner particles of liquids, and this are the inner particles of gases. See, first of all, we will study about solids. Solids have definite shape and size. Solids have definite shape, size and volume. Solids have definite shape and volume. Have you learned now this? I have repeated its definition 3 times. You must learn the definition of solids, liquids and gas. So the definition of solid is solid has definite shape and volume. See, these are the inner particles of solids. You may see the particles of solids which have very less intermolecular space. There is very less space between two atoms. Interparticle, what is intermolecular space? The intermolecular space is the space between molecules. The space between two or more than two molecules is known as intermolecular space. So there is very less intermolecular space but very high attraction between these molecules. It has very high intermolecular force. The intermolecular force is the highest in solids, but intermolecular space is very least in the solids. Solids have definite shape, volume. In solids, the interparticle attraction is very strong. Therefore, the interparticle space is the least, as you can see in the figure. And now we will study about liquids. Liquids have more intermolecular space than solids, but less intermolecular force than solids. See, you can see the space between two molecules are more than that of solids, but as the space between two molecules increases, the attraction force between those molecules decreases. So liquids have definite volume but do not have definite shape. Liquids have definite volume but does not have definite shape. Okay, liquids have definite volume but do not have definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. They take the shape of that container in which they are kept. For example, when water is poured in a glass, when you pour some water in a glass, then the liquid takes the water takes the shape of that glass. Don't it take? And when it is spread in the floor, it takes the shape of that floor. It simply spreads in the floor. Now we will study about gas. Gas does not have definite shape and do not have definite volume. Neither it have definite shape nor it have definite volume. And the intermolecular space is least. Intermolecular force is least in gases, and intermolecular space is largest in gases. Gases have most intermolecular space but very least intermolecular force. Okay, So these were the classifications of matter, solid, liquid and gas. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you likes my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment your doubts. Okay, I hope you will have a great day.